It's gonna be hot. I love you.
Izzy, are you stuck?
Oh my god. Chemicals in here. Oh my god.
Monument in 1909 to save the declining Earth.
You're happy and you know I clap your hands.
Terrible.
Don't do that. You silly kitty. Okay. Hey. Hello.
What a gentle fight.
What? Is your food bowl empty? Wait, tago! Help! Please help!
Selfie queen. Look how pretty she is.
Good job, Whisper. Good job.
Bagel, no! Bagel!
Don't bite his tail.
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight. Say yeah.
and my head hit the wall. Boom.
And then you started cleaning yourself with your gross, stinky little gross breath.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be hot.
Continue selling its oil and gas.
Make the right choice, okay? Hey. That's not it.
Hi, my name is Erin. I use she, her pronouns, and I am this.
Why are you being such a beast?
It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even go touch, right?
He said I love you perfect. I love you.
Been entertaining us in the studio for about 15.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what?
Overeating, I know that. Look at.
Should I get a dog? You're happy and you know I clap your hands.
Oh. Давай голови.
Bitch, yeah. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
안 돼, 뱉어.
Kitty, are you dead? What are you doing?
What? Don't tell me he's in it.
Laugh about it. That wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Really careful, not yet. Roger.
Wow!
And every time it. Get off my car.
Yo, Spunky, what are you doing, dog? You sniffing ass.
From the basement?
Ni hao. How are you?
I would say mentally I am not well.
Simba.
Oh no!
Muffin, come here. Oh no.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
I love you.
Pull the lever, Grunk.